Demonstrate to you that I've been successful in teaching Molly a few tricks. Molly, come here. Good girl. Molly, come here. Good girl. Molly, sit. Good girl. Molly, stay. Stay. Molly, stay. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Good girl. Ring the bell. Outside. Ring the bell. Good girl. Good girl. As you can see, Molly's made a lot of progress on these tricks. I still plan to have her learn more, but you can see that she has the basic commands under her control.